Hello guys, what's up? Hasangul here from tutoriallab.net and welcome to another exciting video of our YouTube channel. So in this video I will compare Boya BY M1 microphone which is Laravel microphone. I will unbox this and will review its build quality and its audio quality. Along with that I will also compare the audio of this microphone with our current SL150 microphone. At the time of this video, this microphone cost around $20 and our SL150 microphone cost around $150. You can get the links of both microphone in the description below. So if you want to buy these microphones, then use our links. This will support our YouTube channel. Okay guys, so let's get started. Okay guys, so now you are listening this Boya BY M1 mic directly. I have connected this to my DSLR and you are now listening this. So this is the audio quality of this mic and I am recording this audio with my SL150. So I will compare both of this mic in this video and you can listen. So if you like this mic or SL150, both of the links are in the description below. You can use that and support our channel. Okay guys, so this is the audio quality of Boya BY M1 mic and currently it costs around $20 and our SL150 cost around $150. So you can compare the quality by yourself. So this is it. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video, or if you don't like this video then thumbs down and subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.